everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create sun using optical flares. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first create a new composition, then it's okay. Go to layer, new solid and background. Go to effect, generate and gradient ramp, and I'll change this color to blue, maybe like this, and this color like this. Now I'll import grass photo, press S, we put up and press S like this and position. Then I'll go to effect, keying and linear color key, and yeah, increase this and also yeah. Okay, now I'll go to layer again and solid and sun, then hit OK. Go to effect, video copilot and optical flares, change change on black to on transparent and put this down like this. And I'll increase brightness to 220 and I'll change this color, maybe like this color will be good. Then okay, now I'll go to evolution, animation evolution, and alt and keyframe, and I'll type time times 100. Okay, also I can import some cloud here, press S, and I'll put it like this and press P, position, and I'll move it like this. And I want to change this color also, so I'll go to effect, color correction and tint, and I choose color maybe like this, and I'll import another cloud and I'll press S, and I'll go to effect, keying and linear color key to remove this black, and yeah, also I'll go here, effect, color correction and tint, and I'll change the color like this, and also I want to animate this one like this. Press P and position keyframe. Go to last frame and also I'll move it like this. And I want to press T to opacity. I don't need to be clearly, and also in this one maybe like this. Okay, this is our tutorial today, so if you like it, don't forget like, share and subscribe, and goodbye.